How to add logo in Openshot. Ready to brand your videos? Here's how to add your logo using Openshot. Simple and powerful. First, import your logo file, preferably a PNG with a transparent background, into the project files. Then drag it to a track above your main video in the timeline. To adjust size and position, right-click the logo and go to Properties, or click Transform to drag and resize it manually in the preview window. Want it to appear throughout the entire video? Just stretch the logo clip to match your video length. You can also fade it in or out by modifying the alpha setting in Properties, or add a little animation by adjusting position with keyframes. Make sure the logo file resolution is good so it stays sharp. Do you add a logo to every video or just a special projects? Let me know in the comments below. Once done, preview your final edit and export with your new branded touch. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.